Hello children, welcome to Little Bird English Medium School. Today's subject is English Grammar. Chapter number 7, A New Friend. This is comprehension. One afternoon, Sanjana and Rohit were playing when the doorbell rang. Rohit climbed onto a chair. He peeped through the magic eye in the door. He saw a stranger and got scared. He told Sanjana about the stranger. Both of them ran to the kitchen. They hid behind their mother. The bell rang again. The mother went and opened the door. There stood an old family friend of theirs, Mr. Agrawal. She greeted him and invited him inside. She called out to Sanjana and Rohit. They came looking scared. She introduced them to Mr. Agrawal. He gave them some books as present. The children looked at him. He gave a friendly smile. They smiled back at him. They were friends now. Exercise A. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Sanjana and Rohit were sleeping when the doorbell rang. False. Number 2. The children ran to the bedroom. False. Third. A family friend had come to see them. True. Number 4. Their mother didn't allow the visitor to come in. False. Number 5. The visitor gave books to both the children. True. Number 6. The visitor had a friendly smile. True. Now exercise B. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Rohit climbed onto a chair to peep through the magic eye. Number 2. The children hid behind their mother. Number 3. The mother greeted the man and called him inside. Number 4. The visitor was Mr. Agrawal. Number 5. In the end, the children became friendly with the man. Now exercise C. Find and circle all the proper nouns in the passage. Then write them below. Sanjana, Rohit, Mr. Agrawal. Thank you.